How to redeem Old Navy gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to redeem Old Navy gift card online. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, open a web browser. So I'm using Google Chrome, you can use any of those. Now tap the search bar at top of your screen and type in www.oldnavy.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now you'll reach on the official interface of Old Navy where you need to make sure that you sign into your account. Now you can easily select a product. So let's open a particular product and here you can easily see the description of particular product. Choose the color, the size, and after that here you will see add to bag. Tap on it. Now tap on checkout and you have to enter all your shipping details. And after entering all your information regarding your shipping details, under the payment, you can easily see add gift card button. You simply need to select that and enter your gift card number and the PIN and then apply. And you need to complete the checkout and your gift card will be used for the purchase. So that's it. Hope this was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.